Hello friends, this is candle making box. Now you can see this is candle container for wax, thread, color dye. You can use any color for candle, spoon, paraffin wax. This is color fragrance. Now you can take frying pan and put some paraffin wax insert in this. At least take 6 spoons. Now it is melting. After melting, you can mix color dye at least half spoon. You can take also help with the spoon for mixing. Now you can add fragrance, and if you want you can add some glitter for glittering effect. Now take candle container and put thread in the middle with the help of spoon and insert paraffin wax in this container and let it dry for at least 2 hours. After that you can see candle is dry. Now take out the candle from the container. Your candle is ready.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि मेरे नए वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके।